there is technology that's changing the way we take care of our skin.
Exactly, and I'm so excited about it and to be behind it, to be working with PURattitude, because they have created a unique delivery system that's unlike any other. No one else is doing this, and it's nanotechnology. It's something that, like, it sounds very complicated, but it's very easy when it comes to applying it, and that's all that matters, because we want those solutions, and you were talking about it earlier. We want to see our skin look better.
And here's the thing, when they handed me this, I was like, whatever, I don't know. And then you try it one time, and you will be completely hooked.
We want you to use this as the first step in your skincare regimen. So think of it as your foundation. It dries instantly. There's no drip, no mess. You can continue on with your serum, your moisturizer, your SPF. Make sure to use that SPF, and then your makeup. And like I said, if you want to top it, you know, set your makeup.
I love that setting your makeup, because the old trick to setting your makeup was hairspray.